Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6 connection failed, unable to connect to the EA servers error. So here follow the steps. First, check the Battlefield 6 server status. You can go to the official EA website to check the server status. This is the website. If you see, or you can also go to official Battlefield 6 Twitter website, and if you see their server status is down, under maintenance or having outage, then you don't have to do anything. You have to just wait, and when their server status gets back online, then you can launch Battlefield 6 and you will not get the error. If the server status is online and still you are getting the error, then reset your internet connection. To do so, in Windows search type command prompt and open it as run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type some code. Copy this code from video description. I have mentioned it in the video description, and enter it. These codes are just for performing a internet These codes are just to perform a reset of your internet connection. Now you have to just restart your computer once to complete the reset process. So click on Windows icon, then click on power menu, and then click on a restart option. Once your PC restart, you can then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not fixed, then change the DNS server manually on your PC. To do so, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Go to network and internet, then network and sharing center. Now click on your internet type. It will be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click on it, then click on properties, then click on internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Double click it. Now click the option use the following DNS server address. So check mark this option. In preferred DNS type 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4, and then click on validate settings upon exit. Check mark this box and click OK and close it, and then you can restart your PC and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Third solution is to verify the game files. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 and select properties. Go to install files, click on verify integrity of game files, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not fixed, then you can connect or disconnect to a VPN service. You can install any repeated VPN from internet such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, and you can connect to a different location than our current location, and then you can launch the game and check. If you are already connected to a VPN, then simply disconnect it and then launch the game and check. So that's all for this video. By this way you can fix connection failed, unable to connect to the EA server error in Battlefield 6. So if this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.